And they say, according to King Paluta, Obi or baby buneni chi or crowding.
Yeah, many Shatta Wale Samini and Samini was so. Before Samini were backstage, water near to Tubono.
Jesus.
Yes, SM fans. I'm gonna see. Lie, no be today.
I want my name to.
Or Baba Kunabu Winichi.
Yeah.
It's King Paluta, na. Abusia King Paluta trending on the highway in so. Na in Sembe and a King Paluta aqua cabusia or trending a man for a bonnet supplement any boom our highway in so. Bulldog fire air King Paluta. MC Yoboa on also fire King Paluta. Obekaya recently na King Paluta eco PMU America eco ball program nabusia. Emu on in Sembi eco swatch say King Paluta cassette ya the fan baako nabusia and Chani. No, ende MC Yoboa any Bulldog fire King Paluta left right center na in someone ye can fire King Paluta hono so wani GH Kwabi media so me so obaso I need you na subscribe to your channel no send update bianso etoma onso onsa ebekabi na sese ande ye back King Paluta ne side ya Ghana for ni beble drag King Paluta se ombuade like ono ye artisan like bunipa on fanipa enye hwe because of trend awanya to the sense say obo program na ne fan okasa etia ne fan what you say abusia eno ena ende Bulldog any MC Yoboa almost sanya gu King Paluta so hard one abusia ababeka yensa ewo United Showbiz so abusia en someone ye kafa King Paluta hono yenkotie de Bulldog owo ema King Paluta.
A fool is somebody who's unwise. A fool is somebody who does not recognize where he is. And then me kawa baby, onu ankasa beka was our show ni so say, onu otna as 15 years as our blue. And I miss Matthias yenti otna or 15 years no. Say so okwa e be 88 years. 88 years because you see I don't know who say all the, and don't or inipa, some of these things can happen, Matthias here. But the moment you get into that realm, what start to say, oh, young for a pattern, now, you see, me Maka artists here and Kobna is here. They are the most pampered professionals ever. Most pampered. Every profession, me who says so Jania war or expect to see a man of fans. Me who said doctor air surgery or expect to see a man of fans. It's me too much. Too much. Hey, this is any patch obi. Oh, a gift. No, and your gift. And your munkwana more gift. Look, they be can be home. Your gift and it's an free. A young kwasi asem. No facts. Listen, Mami can be. Send me a gift and it. There be mpacho Mami can be. A fred dom. The fred dom. I saw bu dom no. Ye be bu dom. I saw bu dom no. Ye bu. This is disrespect right there.
Yeah.
Tamucho. Yeah. This is disrespect like on the highest level. Hey, he went on to say ni yase or something ni tini. You tell me how.
They insult him
and this is also obi ebu eniche me sa nkasa it doesn't make sense. As a performer you don't even look directly into the eyes.
No.
You don't look into their eyes.
Yes, exactly. Like
what the heads.
You need to be performing, you know. You
what
can't be paying attention to things happening. No.
So when Jimmy we are late.
Thank you.
Jimmy nebema wa go off. Jimmy
Ulusu focus
Jimmy no because you've forgotten where you are and why you were there. How? Like Mintias you what's left here 15 years? Who blow your crowd 3 years in by? Who person san call? Hey, I don't get it.
And
no, but spiritual. I am pained and I am pained because I like him. I actually love him. I can I understand his hustle. I saw him coming up. What I say? You can see in his eyes, time or band.
So
yes, you get this opportunity. Oh, Nyankopon. Me say, oh, there's a reason why from 0 to 50, you are sending Nyankopon bema wa bre answer or the bibia to same. Because from 50 years and I will retire into not what domo like retirement. Anything you get before that time with Jimmy ube exactly. I pray for people like Blacko because but
should be no.
Yes, but you see, they understand the responsibility. Look, what do you mean? Or because of fame, you drag, and Charlie, you're famous before mobile. Yes, but you hunk for your bite, your brain, and once. Me sometimes me hunk for someone with trap picture, and I me say it doesn't make sense. Why? Yeah, I don't understand.
So we are musician.
But Matthias, but I don't get it. Like people see me and they're excited.
Boy.
Yeah, but it doesn't for me. And that's what makes me humble about it. Say, me man is sick, me nye bibiama, me painful. Say, Nakupon shout, say now kasanu, kosu konya nakupo nya utu organ. I mean say, hey.
Oh.
Yes, so you see, things like that should humble you. That doesn't better, no. What is that? Like, infana we do. To Wubu. You are saying, wow, Jelem Jacket. I am telling you. Ha! I can pass me Bobby Dimba, I will say, Mammy and Boy. Sure. 15 years better than 100 years. 15 years. Uko Shehwa, time no encoder. Time no, it's 12, so I encoder 12-1. 12-2, 12 12. Now be time they are both for their co and see 12 sir. And easy. Inti Nyankopon abwao ni akebo ba share no share. Bo he no boom. Nibo, if somebody's eye, contact can trigger you like that, and your kasa obey then. And the girl ko share ni me then. E bi obu na ni tie dada na odi wenim ko share.
And it's another loudspeaker.
So you do what you do comfort them your twat your bomb. Still they override this normal.
Years back,
yeah. People say all kinds of
Akon Bagana. Yeah, should be.
They share balloon.
Yes. I think that Wizkid was when a rapper be. Na mini Shatta Wale Samini and na Samini was so.
Yeah, hot.
Jaja, Mrs. Samini was no. Me respect Samini pa, but Sade no. Me respect like yo. Before Samini were backstage, bottles, water, near to Tubono.
Jesus.
Yes, SM fans. I'm see. Lie, no be today.
I want my name to.
Samini a killer.
Ojine mutu.
Kagwe. You know what?
After about the third song,
Charlie,
whole crowd
yes.
Singing. By the time if he started the third track, no more to they are singing.
Hey, yes, that is the power. You see, what's a Kobla can be say on face bibida Saga, Nakupon national. But if you face such a no nebe building or Baba Kunabu in Ichi,
yeah,
hey, Charlie,
yeah. It's very reckless.
Maybe one number got na baby almost on my depression and depression is real. Depression is real. Happiness is real. Bibia is real. Comport yourself. If you want to change something, change yourself. Everything in this world is your fault. Papa o boni ewa. Me mami catch it. So I listen differently. Me mami or catch me say your friends are your books. And your pillow or see pillow who do to go to swa and no toka o fa books or no beka intimi ma ko jepo ehia no me yafa ko be ba jibo kefito mani fa yes
sana mameti
e baba ke mi no ya fe ya buena
o ko
ye den o du ti be pai bibi won La oke na sanya chins giging choke no kejiomo. Jeka no kwe.
Abuse.
Yeah, yes. Me my mother she abused that. Yes. Sure. I mean my mother chased me, yeah. Naked. And what was my crime? Mako didi abontin. So who purchase on near Jano? Who de koto Jano si be didi ofi? Ye chase me sa me di many ko share omo a hen coop, right? Yes, and be me di many ko me ha ko share. Woman ibu mistake. On pem kwasi. Onu kwa no share. Into debia wa stress into or see tashi. Baby oko bibi e yo tena ho. Kwa start no hard woman. Yes. So if you don't know some of these things, maybe ameka one kasa ansi hu so
One show.
oh sorry. These are the things that will happen to you. Because clearly say girl ni abusing and now can be I know you better me akebia man so the reaction here there. But any chi are we serious in this country? And you are at your peak. Ebia only hate na o can make us frustration are setting in. You are in your peak.
You are one of the highest
you are collecting, you are going around the world. Everything that is happening to you now is a plus in your life. What are they? But you are saying we're going to see that man.
Last week,
Until today, almost trust statement be
a home fan.
No, Empress. You are putting sand in
the management should even do that.
Empress, who can say me? Can say now? Who become be? Me so me body. Me kasa ma me kasa. Ya na the bibi aba be shame. Me so me the bibi be shame.
Me so.
Who to me say? Ni tipa.
Onya.
It's sad, and you see the reason why we are where we are as an industry. It's a talent-led industry. What I say, so the talent call the shots all the time. Wow. But if we are in an industry where handless, yes, like some of these things won't happen. Younger baby say, "You cancel dada." And then I think when I was on that platform, we see 50 cents money at them. Me say whoever does it, say Michael Jackson cry, yeah, it is foolish. So any part. We shouldn't
those people
sister want to make kasa
me chepe kaka
baby in chepe hold on
you know
don't chip
yeah we should exercise restraint. It's very, very important. When patrol na ziga kasa, so this is where you need a manager. No, this is where you need a brain. Manager so you nipa o. Now one kasa won ni adwin wo trima manager to me be Nyankopon oba no he Jesus or he lean your Jimmy nkwa na want to me anya hu hwe because Jimmy dey wadwin mu uye whatever. So when your manager never catch you bibi wa wu ni medjuma no ye wodjuma na ko simple. I'm highly disappointed in you know I'm sure say by now crowd managers in the casa or theater. I'm sure we will know some of these things.
How did we travel by this time for statement, Maya? It tells us who justified.
Yes,
exactly. See, I can see every running week.
Yeah. No. Actually,
chipping
still. So, on post program meeting, see a showdown. Yeah, show. Yes, you transfer as a team. Yeah, post-mortem. You show the DNA quality. Almost transfer. A man to say a deep incident. Be seen money at the theater. And just no more catching. Someone you submit to the other. He doesn't have a management team.
No, let me tell you. You see, let's be honest, right? A lot of these managers are suffering under the artist. I'm telling you, me, if I'm going to do a podcast, it is managers who are strong. That's where I'll put them on a chair to speak their truth. I'm telling you, because on him said they are the mercy of the artist. into your kasa e be and salary be onya akwanto be onya. No, you see that's exactly what I'm saying. Listen, it is the you see a jumana I say who na who di enim who artist na who di enim. It is sometimes manager need kasa crown because the cost stage na come say raise your hand obia manager crowd sometimes obi enim into who strong if you are not a principled manager, somebody who because say I don't care and now me want me BBD dada and now there were circumstances under which I got to manage you. To me, I'm telling you, I know 90% of these managers are being strangled and the whole team members because omu kasa sometimes omu to me kasa because artists no crowd over come meeting say na why yen no me know why you no yes sir I'm telling there are a lot of yes men. I'm telling you.
Emmanuel look say as you are not a manager.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
And also obi o ho no ma e wait. Dey say kwabra betimi ayi we dey chair ashes. Say be a meeting. Na ashes ka bibia o don't know o tutu no o church no so. We are manager. Me dwene say say o share level obi o ho no ma o betimi ne artist na nina boom. You get me? And now obi o ho at the level no unu time bia betimi manage Daddy Lumba. Oh, unu time betimi manage Shatta Wale. Unu time bia Stone Boy as an A-list artist betimi manage no. It is so uwe ho ansa. But there are some people they will let you know you're wrong and you're right. We just say we just mistake or then you better or resign. I'm telling you.
So I'm saying, Mami Cheo, you see, what they all can empower, but it takes an experienced manager to be able to think what you're thinking. Or the circumstances, because manager do ebi only artist na starting kakra almost start almost no be a new mom.
Yeah.
Or no ye the jumani idea ube one artist now blow. Charlie artist no blow another level. Bro, maybe on another occasion I'll come and sit down and tell you what it is. And tell you what artist no blow up. And yet you're only no. Or you're different. Now,
thank you.
Artist now blow no. Wokra ayaw there because my ejuma che na ade na ba what you say into so start so all ye ni hu style be upesa o manage sade no na ye mu fan kompempen su bi na ye hu say udi udo ahade no ube ho na wa ye to say form cash. Yes, I know many of them like that. I know many of them like that. Fortunately for some of us, I'm not just a manager, I'm an executive producer. I pay your bills, so you don't come in my front with that. What you say? Me manager.
As a manager, they should build their own thing.
Exactly. Okay. If you have your own label and you are paying for studio fees, you are paying for everything. No artist will come and play that with you. And if they play that with you, you drop them. You see, I think one of the biggest problems we have as a people, we are afraid to start again. We are afraid to lose. Me, I lose everything every day. Today, I'll lose. Because tomorrow again.
Artist no one na bra good sikane ba and was start acting weird good towards me it me twe me ho akwa this
yes
I'll lose yes
that's the problem mindset Charlie because baby I be copy so only artists now artists near share first and so look I am telling you something kobna ye bibi or kasa sisi ano and now okay about the band or
the band.
Look, me when anytime I'm on the stage or watching an artist anywhere I go, artists need perform me me share say or be money band props are now. Yes, sir, you're ungrateful. I don't care what you tell me. I don't care what you tell me. You're ungrateful. If you finish your performance and you don't thank the band, you are ungrateful. It is pure ungratefulness.
Whether you pay them or what?
Who cares? Yes. And you won't good. So very small things. And I'm maybe Yakupon Nation because I based on experience. The man who sign your man. No, some people won't pick it up. What is Jamaica? Because they be America. Oh man, no, I big America. Mechi, me backbone. And now I'm into me kasa. If my tongue was not in my mouth, I cannot speak. There are a lot of moving parts allowing me to speak. So nipa kra unye nipa bako. You are whole What did them can say until they, and that's why they will go up and no more Baba share say. No so much nyami only top oh nyami sheyemu. Nyami na asuma kwabna se onbe boa wo. Nyami na asuma ashe se onbe boa empress. Inti nyami na
after say eye Bulldog e kan nsem ewie ya na abusuya. Vida aduchiwa ono so e dey etc mu a ensem a oka e kire eye King Paluta na ono de o kire mu a King Paluta e manage ni bibia ye ano oye ni bibia ye okoja stage so a on ne fans for eye den en kontokwa because of say the management no en go through e eye stage nti enu nti na e ma King Paluta e fight with the fans what you say na ye wi a e ba ko tie de eye MC obo ono so eden edit to dwa yentie Vida aduchiwa e wode
onyame na asuma Vida ni wow vim omu ye ama bim no wow no enti ochi na bi
omo ye de
omu ye vim ama bim
bas
we go me who so omu ye lot of
sawo
but we will address that one day
omo ye bia
oh Yakupon Ashab Nisa Ankrofo. Yeah. And at every point, God will bring you somebody.
That's right.
It is very, very hard. Yeah. I don't know why people come different stresses.
No, you are a different person.
Yes, me mami nye Jesus. Also me nye Jesus.
Oh hard you know.
Brother, what's that?
Babu Esenka will apologize.
Yeah. When you say
me apologize to who? Jesus.
Yes, to Jesus.
Hey, Charlie, more serious. Jesus. Charlie, you see, mami. I said we are married home.
And they can't a castle. We castle.
Me she. Mo do every now you sacking me. And then one say.
And then you say say.
Ade me no na ba we say. Me no na fafa.
Wo so wona akoto o man ka be sutu o mo.
Me no. Me dem ejimi. Ma say me ye dey rough. Jesus, me expecting more with Jesus.
The Empress. For expectation.
Hey, this is sister.
Yes.
Deputy Jesus.
Deputy Jesus. So we walk out that.
Anyway.
Hey, what's up, boom any chi? What's up, boom any chi?
Yani King Paluta style.
Me blame King Paluta.
Empress.
Yeah. But Jesus is the non-train sign.
Yeah.
Mumbechi minko.
That be
also train sign.
See Mumbechi.
So for aname boy. Also train sign. No, it's not good.
Master, me see Mumbechi minko.
And you see a mechu. I don't say you to share that.
Other religion.
This is the meaning of Biblia. What's it?
Religion phobia I want to myself.
Yeah. You can say
some religion remember mun chima me.
There be and I make sure say. Asem na o kan e no.
Nti mun chima me mu be dey mu be bu mi.
Yeah mo.
Mu ni be kokot.
Yeah fa
mu be shutu mi.
Yes.
Dey na mu be me.
Yeah person.
Yeah be kasa o be tresign.
Yes tresign.
On tresign.
There be.
We share Yesu. We share Yesu Damascus.
Many Yesu asem ade na person ke bi.
Me only Yesu asade ti na me ke bi. It we need that one na woka.
Ade mabo won.
And you do fear na why? Udu fear bonfire
forgiveness.
Bia.
We enko.
Okay, Empress King Paluta UK incident.
Sunday school no mo. Say hey, see Noah was a force. Hey, what did you say?
Empress King Paluta Asemidi. I think the last time you name share Jumedi issue. A lot of issues by up. And sending messages say none kasa ni bi wo hwa omo ne say you as a hand time bi wo mu and so share bi ehun hia epie mu ne ade. But me response am de ma omo ne say talented people be pemping and no complicated. Obi wo aduma chedi bia said ya wo feel say so fa kwan bi so totin de kono enye sa na obenya ne de bia and bu wa he oni nkofo bia ya adwuma sa onim some talented that sometimes no it's not the what you expect of them na etimi ebasa but however we are complicated no maybe obi gina bia wo say wo ma emotional intelligence e wo say wo ma wadwene eni wadibuo ededi wodwuma wudi and that wasn't what we saw there. Miss Matsansi adwen ho a hawa enichie etimi cause upset ma artist to stage so matsa sa amendwe wo se sebio se eyelashes na nipa ne hye no e ya abofo ataban po na ejeje pra eni dede ne be wa ko drew stage ne so ama ahye wabufu to that level ana kwabna kasa no say was so focused on the craft so who dey wo share performance you koye Empress say ya dia wa hyehyɛ pa say me ne me band bia rehearse eduru ha meto ama crowd na mo mato kakra ana say eduru ha meba mu sei mekwa kosesa me ho a me wa hyehyɛ wo craft yi a ubenya adaja didi ni pa temana wo artist na ugina nkasa busa ho se ye ma 1 hour se mayen back to back enyom hyehyɛ wo set piece for 1 hour ubenya no what I'm saying is ubenya ne sana it tells you say UK for no ama a certain level of acceptability be any kwan say udidi agro because ejuma we ayeye ohutimi twem because ye sha say na ye Ashanti International na King na Queen Exdo Chicago Mubreso. So for somebody like Samini Kran, he was also in that era. So for him to be consistent to this high level, you know, enya dia eda for me also udidi agro. Ejuma amuye ne de bia no. Insurance be anymore. What we say wako perform you say unless one kasa na beti bibia to ho no ntinto obi ani wa beka say oh me insurance be me di 60 years I'll fall on it. That is why everywhere I will be gina bia na we say we making sure say we deliver na waji usika na fe we media e dey we say we this week ya interview event organizer no and I blame on no so and I want to say either say osro King Paluta no and answer ne stardom ni huhu e na atone so yebusa lady me say eba ne sign na asem we ko see efri na no King Paluta wo feelings into so gina stage so na so be ye ne bibia on pair or ho kwan say or best out no okasa and I'm say are you serious no I heard there or sing bo feelings into be can bibi na say twina or ho kwan say oyi ano and I'm like
nipa ne ka bibi
and I'm like oh yeah coward and no I meet interview no
or say she said that the King Paluta ye enye but otiase say our feelings
into no but
no but enye hona e we say
the interview I meet here I listen to the lady also our feelings into no for you an event organizer be seen na want me fa statement cram bambeto out and dispel lady awoye say me King Paluta na meet you say oh for say dem here ni but me feelings me gina but me feelings ne so na man justify me actions e wo stage ne so nti ade enye you condemn it and for any clause bi ambeta to e mani look it say e normal e okay so be ye dia oye no and UK for no aso abranti so I always say they go through thick and thin to organize shows no I don't think so no go through that yeah TGM debate no one of the things I the trainer say and they say when timia organize it on wakasa ni show and Empress so wow should now go through or how now getting 200 people 300 people to gather in your name no enya de ketwa and how be gina how be yewe so we are na say UK market ne poor Paluta e be din to sell out anywhere abroad e be so difficult for you because UK market no exactly UK market no eye bibi bia and shut down so bebre
na so mu pie ba
all attempt we have some of the artists who call around during winter time and people still showed up opa on try be no organize your no nkasa nation no show the difficulty e wo putting people together together e wo wudi mu na wo de ni chiempo ni na ye ka se Samini dey to 2 bottles na dey bo na nkade na nka obeye it was totally unnecessary and by now he should have released a statement to that effect but some judge from Senana or Tiena or the betina hanum say any a few utterances are why even against Nkofua or Mobuano from sad trenches now till now I can say a betina say I expect apology no sir and so nya dia ebempa
Medas sister
Empress that no obi ye bibi na meka word bi na man for so monti ase
enka wa so
ade King Paluta ye nobody sitting here can describe it as nyansade na me ba be make another submission na prophet submission o make you know or say the abani.
Enti after say eye Vida Adutuwa ede ne nsem etu dwa wie ya na abusua ho e na eye MC yobo a ono so etisi mu na ensem a o kan efa ye King Paluta won de abusua kire say King Paluta ne de enwom no efiri ho a woni hwibia bia mu o ensem a MC yobo o kan no yes o kire mu a say King Paluta ejai enwom na den pa na ono no King Paluta ewa obetumi akonipa mu wati ase na ensem a o kan fa ye King Paluta ho no maybe say ada one no personal issue bia na because in some kan ye no ano nyan yentie MC yobo a ono so the other man eye
but ebufu bi wo a ema wujimi ema wudinsim ho. Proverbs chapter 14 Proverbs chapter 14 verse number 17. A quick-tempered man acts foolishly, and a man of evil devices is hated. Proverbs chapter 29 verse 11. Fools give full vent to their rage, but the wise bring calm in the end. Do not be quickly provoked in your spirit, for anger resides in the lap of fools.
But one kasa ubun fu. Brofo no ne de wakana one kasa
fu. But men ma we bufuo no and decide with faith and direction at that point.
Na bufuo no den.
Na me ka say na bufuo na ne bufuo wo stage so obi abu na ni chie enu na ema wo di atem no sebio odi oba ne maame aya sidi na tem e ka che oba ne se ne rig nti e ka che nkofo ma twa hia ho se me fans nti na wo ba King Paluta enye wo fans nti na ko UK enye wo e ka wo fans a ma ye organize show wo taka ne ko bo free show e ma wo fans. You went there because you have the talent, and that talent is supposed to put food on your table. And guess what? If you do not go to play that show, you will not get paid and you will not get money. So you are not doing anybody a favor. You are working. It is your job. Eye sika wubenya di asha ubotom. Edi bi asha wumpananum. Edi bi asha wo maame. Eni wabusunya. Edi bi abo brama ho enti na uko UK. You were not there because of your fans. Empress, me interview woman na or ye show no. When you must send tea and that show no more. Almost a show no is organized to raise funds for children who are less privileged, for women who have suffered abusive relationships.
Show no.
That is the theme of the show. The all-white boat party near Corso London. A group no organize a from Diamond Ladies or something. Eye ma ono mo come with tia bom no ma pesika no dia betua wo King Paluta ka. Sebra never perform me. Na yentumi raise sika. Na se sika no yemfa nkohwe nyanka. Se sika no yemfa nkohwe emma wamako abusive relationship. And guess what? Abusive relationship nko enye se yabu o. Sebe kasa kra ye ne wo kasa no can be abusive. Now wo King Paluta ukojina stage so awusu wo baby adobrew enunti no bubu afu e de sebe wo ba ne maame ayase e de natem ewie ache ni now let me calm down we wie esade ni looks said dinatem at an event that was organized for women and children. Na besimne doing King Paluta ntumi fa any apology emma bontin embe chire mu nsre Ghana for say me fans ni say me semwa na da besimne. There is no excuse for dia King Paluta ye. You were the third contender in the Artist of the Year running this year. Look at how portfolio used a legend like that Lumba to compare you, King Paluta.
My mimi so asemo
Yo. Yeah, she said your MC portfolio a position who King Paluta in the race of running for the Artist of the Year in this country. Look at how our portfolio Edi ube jina baby ana ade na ye hu a wutumi remu in contending for Artist of the Year. When people are saying that even when you push 2025 your name can even still pop up there and you go and stand on a stage and you display this attitude of foolery on stage, and we sit here and say he was angry, and so he should get away with that. We sit here and we make an excuse to say Nani Buefu. Do you know that She Blacko recently, who the work with Shatta Samini recently Blacko echo page echo if I know Takrade no never said again. Is it Takrade show here or Kobo stage here? Now man for two see only bottles but Blacko is 23. I stand to be correct. 23-year-old boy. Look at how he managed the situation. Look at how he managed the situation. Now, King Paluta, what bought underground artists for 15 years. This is not the days when I will bought Kama Sutra to be hanu. And now what about limelight? King Paluta to me kojina stage echo catch the waba says you wouldn't ni baby.
I don't know kind
Empress, but video no neshe. How do you, King Paluta, do this? By this time, Anka Emme wo UK class say e be able to me do baby cry a fresh show. Organizers cry for show because a man never kasa wo bad the omo nya den. Omo nto ticket ntia organizers cry em fresh show. Enye one asebio o ma wano aduane abo. Enye obi na eyo. One asebi wano aduane a wo bedi no. Ama sebio nkofo ebi o mani down no. Omo so menye biedu no one a woman abo. And it pains me that by this time, Senior King Paluta, wabe releasing you must say wabe odi fambe share. Empress, mami can say me job. And you to a jumana mo yeno. Empress, let me use you as an example. You won't know to any fewer. There are other things about you that people relate to. Like you do certain podcasts and you do videos, you do some TikTok. You have a personality. Apart from the King Paluta, who you knew if you only share.
Oh yes.
King Paluta doesn't have any personality he's selling. No. I'm saying that he doesn't have a personality. Listen, on top of your mind, King Paluta, people love him because of his music. Of course. Take the music away. What is there? What is there? Who they tell me on top of your mind? Dear Newo, there is nothing there. So guess what? You've been underground and you've built in Awababe do baby as you say we do. And this is the time when you are also going to build your personality. So that people will fall in love with your personality. It is saying there's something for the people to hold on to. But if you do this in building your own brand and you start like this, baby no organize a yesha on ma. Because shows in the fans sometimes but you as an artist you need to exercise an intelligence, emotional intelligence. Now what they are managing fans What am I say? By this time, nobody has said anything about that. Your management whatsoever. When I was interviewing the woman, if you're begging, say, ABI, want to King Paluta, we called. They don't want to talk about it. I just hope, say, he learns his lesson from this.
Papa Omeno EMS, happy birthday to you. Near call USA Ghana music.
Empress Anka USA Ghana music. Udi chobia hunanka me kasala sebe. Debi because see
me chobia.
Ye ni na ye show na Empress nya bote me sewa.
Me pacho own control show. Me na me control show. And intimate we say we PR. Inti kasa wo kasa wi ansa na mato amom.
Yes, so GMA USA 2025. You're releasing your first batch of artists or mobile performing this year. Kim Kofi Kinata. Ewo honom bi mami nko me phone so na afi mi Kofi Kinata ewo ho a obe performing this year oka first batch of artists are release your mo to perform this year until the next batch no ebeba later Wuta Kobe Wuta and so eka the list of performances are omoba performing and of course Obi Amponsa and so eka ho bi like we said this year no we are trying to blend comedy and then music to do the Ghana Music Awards USA 2025. So these are the first batch of musicians. Jehovah are also America. Eka the list of performance on HT songs. Eka will be Sanso na German beats. And so Oko USA Honoma, the fan base very massive. These are the first batch of artists I release this year Ghana Music Awards USA no omo be performing. But then presenya de bia mekano djumedi na ye di no nkofobia daroma eno maso yase.
And so far the efa King Paluta and I made them the aba be somo no abanfo echemu King Paluta embuwa de abusia mame hu wadwe nkyere o comment section o wie nso ani demu na wa subscribe to your channel no send update bia nso etomu a onso obenya bi ati na wa share ato other platforms so e de amaye ha na me de obesi kete wo se eye dodo no nwura makra baba.